Welcome back to Sticker Mountain. In this video, we're going to be using Adobe Illustrator to create clear stickers. More specifically, a large portion of your design to be transparent with a clear border. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of sticker enthusiasts and business owners for more helpful tips and tricks. Let's get started. The first step is to organize our files by creating some layers. The first layer will be the art layer that holds all your beautiful artwork. Next is the die line layer. This is so we know where to cut your design. We have a whole playlist on how to create different die lines, but we'll show you in this video too. The final layer is our white layer. This holds all the elements that are not see-through. This is very important, so when it reaches our presses, we'll add an extra layer of whiting underlay so that the areas are not transparent. Now we'll create a die line. To create a die line, select all of your artwork and copy with Command or Control C, and paste it in front with Command or Control F into the die line layer. Next, open up the Pathfinder window, and we're going to press a few things since our artwork is a little unique. We're going to press Trim, Merge, and finally, Unite. If you have the same issue as we do, don't worry. It's because an object on top was transparent and blue, making the fill color when we unite everything to be a transparent blue color. To fix this, go to the Transparency tab and make the blending mode normal and opacity 100%. Next, switch the fill to a stroke and offset the path using the shortcut Command 9 to give you extra room for your die line. We're going to set this to 0.0938 inches for the offset, joins as round, and meter as 4. Then press OK. One last thing to finish our die line is to remove the extra line it created. Copy the outer line, then delete that second one that's closer to your artwork, and paste in front the actual die line. If you notice some areas of your design have sharp edges, here's a quick trick to make your die line nice and smooth. With the line selected, press the pencil tool or the shortcut Command J and draw curved edges. This will replace those harsh edges with nice smooth ones, making for a nicer, cleaner die cut. Now let's create the white backed areas of your design as well as the clear border. First, select all the elements you don't want to be clear or transparent, and copy and paste them in front into the white layer. For this example, we're going to select the QR code here and copy and paste it into our white layer. Next, under the Pathfinder window, click Unite. If nothing happens, you may have an image in your art file. To unite something, it has to be a vector graphic, or else there are no paths to unite. To solve this, select the image, click Embed at the top of the screen, then press Image Trace. If the image is high contrast like this one, it will make it a lot easier for Adobe to work its magic. Then go to Expand, and this will make that one image into a bunch of vector paths. With that still selected, click Unite in the Pathfinder tab. Now these few areas will have white backing and everything else will have a transparent effect. Now, let's have all the artwork have a white backing with a sleek, clear border. First, let's make the rest of our artwork with a white backing. Similar to what we did with the die line, we're going to select and copy the artwork. Then, we're going to lock the art layer, then select the white layer and paste it in front. With everything still selected, and under the Pathfinder tab, click Trim, Merge, and Unite in order for everything to be one solid item. Then, change the color to match the other area we created, and there we go! Now we have everything with a white underlay and a clear border around your design. Happen to change your mind and want a small portion of your design to be transparent? Stay tuned next week for our second video on cutting out a portion of your design to be transparent. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest content updates. Sticker Mountain, the best part of us is to be a part of you.